How to change font style on Samsung phone. Changing the font style is one of the coolest features that I've ever seen on the Samsung phone. So if you want to set a different font style on a Samsung phone, then here's how you can do this process. Well, so now to change the font style, you just need to go and open up the settings app from a Samsung phone, and from the settings homepage, go ahead and scroll down and tap on display. Under the display, you just need to scroll down a little bit. You'll get to see the option font size and style. You can tap on this, and inside this one, you'll get to see the first option font style. You just need to tap on this, and it's currently selected with the default. And already I have downloaded the Cool J's. This is the font style. So if you want to download new font style, you can tap on download font. I'll get to see a few different font style are available. So you can actually tap on this download icon beside that one. And this will take a little time. And once the font style has been downloaded, this will be actually added to your font list. So if I get back from here, you'll get to see the two different font style has been added. So you can actually select one of these and any font style will be changed. You'll get to see the font style has been completely changed. And this is how you can change the font style on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.